Good afternoon, Bat community. Justin here with the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to make an introduction video to you guys today for our 1966 Porsche 912 Coupe that we have live on Bat this week. This is a slate gray car. It was slate gray from the factory. It has been repainted, but done very well. This car comes to us from an estate. The patriarch of this family, this was his pride and joy. He had it for decades and loved it, and it shows. Just a gorgeous car. We brought it the rest of the way. It's been sitting for a while, but we brought it to life and have been enjoying it. And I've got to say, it is a stunner. Absolutely gorgeous, very, very clean. Maybe the cleanest one I've ever seen, and I've been doing this a long time. We are gonna do exterior photos, but I wanted to open it all the way up for you guys and show you some of the nooks and crannies of this car right away. I suppose I should show you the door tag. I noticed there wasn't a picture of that, and I wanted to go over the spares as well. Here's the door tag. Slate gray is the color code. But yeah, oh, and I sourced in the parts I found the proper gear shift knob, and that is the shift pattern. This is a 5-speed, 3-gauge version. And look at these spares, guys. There is so much good stuff in here. There is lights, there are cylinders, there are, check these out. He replaced anytime he replaced something, he kept the originals. So these are the originals here too. But filters and, you know, all kinds of stuff. Lights, original lights. I even found some of the stickers in here that go along that are missing on the engine compartment. I'll have to see what else is in here and put more stuff on the car. But yeah, just gorgeous. Every square inch. Underside, overside. The underside of this car is just as pretty as the top. I'll open that and show you guys. Feels a little stuck, but just so nice. I also have an S bumper for this car. It's all painted. We went with a factory bumper though for the auction, but that could be changed down as well. Headliner is just mint. Visors are excellent. This car drives too, guys. This isn't just a looker. It's an amazing driver. I'm seriously in love with this one. I would own it in a heartbeat. I would rip up the title. I would keep it until the day I died. It's one of those cars. Okay, I'll be doing some more videos, so look for those. Any questions, we'll get to them all. I know there's a lot. We'll be discovering a lot with this car all week along with all of you. So welcome, and we'll be talking throughout the week. Thanks again.